Time, the earth had fallen under a dark curse. Love, happiness, and kindness were lost, and hate ruled the hearts of its people. In the heavens above, 6 Cupids saw the earth's despair. With wings glowing like falling stars, the Cupids descended to earth on a special mission to spark joy, rekindle love, and restore kindness to the world. Disguised as ordinary beings, the angels began their work. They planted seeds of joy with every smile they gave. Together they brought music, laughter, and warmth wherever they went. Giving hope back into the hearts of those who had forgotten its touch. With each act of love they inspired, the curse began to lift, and the earth glowed a little brighter. And so, the 6 Cupids carried on, spreading their light and reminding us all that love and happiness will never truly lost. They just needed a spark to shine again. The end. Or it's just the beginning.
Let's go! Let's go! Hey!
Dami mo'y narinig, di mo sinasabi. Bawat iiwan na may ibig sabihin. Huwag na magpatuloy, ako'y narito. Alam kong may naramdaman ka rin sa akin. Di mo na kailangan, ipag-ibot-ibot pa. Ang bawat sandali sayang, kung papalapsin pa. Kung aaminin mo, ako'y maghihintay. Alam mo naman na hindi kita binuin. Bakit ba hindi mo maamin-amin? Sabihin mo na ang iyong pag-ibig. Sasabihin daming oras na sa sayangin. Ako'y naghihintay sa'yo, my love. Kaya sabihin mo na di maamin-amin. Ba't ayaw mo umamin namin? Naghihintay ba namin? Amin mo na. Sabi mo na, my love. Kapag sa hangin, ano ba ang totoo? Ang hindi ba'y hindi nagtago? Di na makapag-hintay sa iyong saloobin. Makasoli kay pagsisi, wala kang sinabi. Di mo na kailangan magpakipot-kipot.